Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Money's coming to me.
U.S. consumers have a lot more money in their pocket than we previously thought. And it's not an enormous surprise that the U.S. consumer is hanging in. U.S. growth is still pretty good. Earnings are still very solid. That underlying earnings trend pushed stocks up quite a bit today.
Walmart, just amazing. It's a reflection of the booming economy.
Walmart, more shoppers, and those shoppers who went and spent more. That really shows you what's going on in our economy.
There is a Walmart near me that we go to about once a week. It was packed.
The growing consumer confidence to go out there and spend your hard-earned money.
People want to get out there and spend money.
Very good news on consumers. All the indications are you have happy consumers. Their wages have been rising.
What a bunch of nonsense. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network, where you get the truth through charting. It's unbelievable what these people are saying. It's just all nonsense. Big wage increases. It's not true. It's not true at all. Real wages have not increased, but decreased. Matter of fact, real wages, by the government's own numbers, not mine, the government, the BLS, wages had the biggest drop in 6 years, not increase. See, these guys are telling you nominal wages. They don't want to tell you the truth. They don't want to put in adjusted for inflation. You can't put out a nominal wage. You got to put out wages adjusted for inflation, especially health care. But also, they're saying all this money they have to spend. It's all borrowed money. That's what's going on. Consumers are supplementing their weak wages, their weak income with loans. Look, they even admit these people on CNBC, these dopes.
People are feeling flush in their accounts, spending more than our income coming in.
So they're spending more than their income coming in. Oh, but they feel flush. And they're trying to tell you, well, the spending is coming from wages, the big wage increases. No, it's not. It's coming from one place, which is really dangerous. The supplementation of wages through credit, through loans. These wages are not increasing. What's increasing is debt. And who's the cavalry? We always have the cavalry come, and they always help the consumer. Who's the cavalry? The banksters. Credit card companies are more than willing to be the main contributor to this supplementation. It's so dangerous to this country. These credit card issuers increased credit availability by $29 billion. Then they mailed out 290 cards offers to consumers. Each month they're doing that. So here they do. They increase the amount of credit available through credit cards, $29 billion. Then they say, hey, let's mail out every month 290 million new credit cards. This is what's going on. This is how they're supplementing their lousy wages, that they're in the hole every month. Their check account's negative, but they keep getting more credit cards. There are 360 million open credit cards accounts. Half, a little more than 3/4. Let's just use half, be safe. I don't give you a bad number. More than half are subprime. These are people that have lousy credit. July, of the 290 million credit card offers that they sent out by mail, here's a credit card. 10 million credit cards were issued from that group. They sent out 290 million credit cards, and 10 million said, hey, I'll take your credit card. Guess who these people were? Subprime. All subprime subscribers. Lousy credit scores. Their net worth, these 10 million people, zero or negative. Zero or negative. So the banks increase credit by $29 billion, send out 290 million credit cards, offering these people credit cards who have lousy credit, who have a net worth of zero or negative, and they charge these people, 17%, 16%? So you could have a lot of bad credit cards and you still make a fortune, these credit card companies and the banks. That's what's going on. These people have already, before these credit cards were sent out, these 10 million people already had credit debt of $10,308 with 5 credit cards they already have, which they pay each month. They take one, pay another one, never pay the principal, owes interest. Unbelievable. We have consumer debt that's outstanding. Just take $3.9 trillion. That includes auto, credit cards, and student loans. That's historic. We never had $3.9 trillion in auto, credit cards, and student loans. That's without the $13 trillion in household debt. What, are you nuts? But when you listen to these people, here's what you hear.
Walmart, just amazing. It's a reflection of the booming economy.
Walmart, more shoppers, and those shoppers who went and spent more. That really shows you what's going on.
Yeah, it really shows. No, it doesn't. I love what he says.
Walmart, just amazing. It's a reflection of the booming economy.
No, it's not a reflection of a booming economy. It's a reflection of a booming credit card industry. That's what it's reflective of. Are you kidding? Are you nuts? These people on Fox and CNBC and the rest of them, they're just bold-faced lying. What we're reflecting is debt. These people are debt slaves. And the people who make the money, the big money, they save it. They already have everything. They don't spend much because they got everything. A guy who's has a net worth of $8 million, which is the 1 percentile. That's without any real estate, just cash. He doesn't go buy anything. All the money he makes, he just puts in a pile of the rest of it. He's got everything he needs. Where the economy grows is this group of people. The guy who's making a combined income, the husband and wife combined income, $64,000, an individual $38,000, and they're up to their neck in debt. And the only way they can buy stuff is through credit. This is crazy. What are you, nuts? Our owners are so wealthy, the 1 percentile, it's incredible because they own the banks. They own Congress. Especially the members of the House and the Senate banking committees, who are the ones that allow us to borrow money through the private banking cartel, the Federal Reserve, which is no more federal than Federal Express, and their 9 banks. They're putting consumers into debt. Then when they're in debt, the government then raises taxes. Remember these tax cuts? They were only permanent for the large corporations, not for Main Street. And once they collect taxes from us, they take it from our pocket, and the government puts it in their pocket, the very wealthy. Or the government's pocket, who then transfer it to the very wealthy, the 1 percentile, who control half of the world's wealth. Something's wrong here. Unbelievable. When we come back, we'll take a look at some stocks, how to make some money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grande at philsgang.com. You know, people make it too complicated. Wall Street tells you the market cap and the trailing PE and the forward PE and price to sales to confuse you. All you need to know is, does the stock have volume? What's that mean? Energy. What does that mean? If you have people buying a stock, enough of the stock's being bought, it influences the prices to go up. Join my gang, philsgang.com. We're using charting, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grande hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures. Saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
if you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if you're a person that says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
What the market is saying today is what really matters is the China growth story. China trade talks helps ameliorate the worries that China growth may be slowing down.
Unbelievable. Welcome back to Phil's Gang. Today, the market is back up. That's right. Remember yesterday, they shot this market up 400 points on a story that there is going to be a conversation between China and the United States as far as trade talks. The market started to sink today. They had to get it back up again. So midday, they came out with a new headline. Chinese and U.S. negotiators are drawing a roadmap. I think they're drawing a map to show the Chinese how to get to the United States. Unbelievable. These are planted. It's unreal. When the market was coming down, there's so much debt right now. And the market for 7 months has not been able to break out of its January's high. Why? Because the large institutions, the boys from the banks and the insurance companies and the pension funds and the hedge funds and the REITs, they 26, when the market dropped 11 points, we still not have got that back yet. We still have not broke out. That's 7 months. The market has stopped going up for 7 months, but nobody talks about it. It's unbelievable. So when the market was coming back down yesterday and the banks were starting to fail, because, again, here's what happens. They had to stop the dollar from going up, because what they were doing is everybody that was coming, these emerging market countries, about 20 of them, but especially Turkey and Brazil, all these countries were taking their currency, saying, I'm going to go and run to the United States. They're doing so well. I mean, they must listen to these guys on CNBC and Fox. We're going to go to the United States. We're going to buy dollars. Well, that's great. So demand for dollars goes up. So what happens? Everybody starts panicking because remember they told us we're going to get a 5% GDP or at least another 4% GDP next quarter? Well, no, they're not going to get that. Matter of fact, they came in and they said, no, we think it's going to be back down to 3.2%. Why? Because then the dollar keeps going up. We can't sell our goods overseas. Our multinational companies have to sell goods overseas. 67% of their profits come from overseas, and that doesn't happen when the dollar is up. We can't compete. So there's a panic setting in as more and more emerging markets, as you know, these guys on CNBC and Fox with all their upbeat news, taking parking space and everybody's head around the country. We are so wealthy over here. Money's coming out of our ears. They're coming over buying our dollars. So the dollar keeps going up. The multinationals are getting killed. Their earnings are going to drop. So they said, we got to get that dollar down. We got to get that dollar down. And that's what they did yesterday. They make an announcement. And the announcement was, hey, Chinese, United States love each other again. And they're going to come over here and talk. Boom! The dollar drops. So now all the CEOs of the multinational companies, the big investors, the REITs, the hedge funds, the banks, they go, whew, Wow, we missed that bullet. Then today, started to go back. The market dollar started to go back up, and they go, "Hey, we got to put in another news story." So they throw in another one. Remember, our owners, the 1% of the 1%, they own the 6 media companies that control everything we hear and see and read. So they put out on CNBC right away and all the other news channels, financial news channels, hey, Chinese U.S. negotiators, they're drawing a roadmap to Washington, how to get there, so they can talk. Boom! Here we go again. Now we're up 136 points. But no one wants to, they talk about this boom, right? This big boom. Matter of fact, in 4 days, you know that we are going to be celebrating the biggest bull market in history. Biggest bull market in history. And here's Kudlow with his economic boom. Remember when he says this?
The single most important political story of the year is the economic boom, and that boom is far from over.
But he never talks about the real boom, our debt boom. Never mind the United States debt boom, which is so huge it's killing us. No mention of how this bull market was propped up by debt. No mention of historic U.S. debt. And now we got historic world debt. We've never had corporate debt in this country at $6 trillion. Never. This is historic. I don't know how they're going to pay it back. And the reason we got this historic debt, thanks to they could borrow money at near zero interest rates for almost 8 years. Then they got the big tax cut. And then there's no oversight on the massive, massive larceny of stock buybacks. It used to be criminal. So now there's $6.3 trillion in debt, these corporations. This is nuts. Then you got the world debt. No one's talking about the world debt. Here we got corporate debt. We got the national debt like we never had before with $20 trillion. Now we got the world debt. Remember how they propped this whole world economy up. They followed our central bank. Same thing. Lower rates. Keep printing money. All the central banks around the world did the same thing we did. So now we got one hell of historic debt, a world debt. Not only is U.S. government debt at historic highs, thanks to Obama, who doubled it. That was a great start. What unbelievable. He doubled it. In 8 years, he doubled what took, 100 years for all the other presidents to do.
Thanks, Obama.
Unbelievable. Take the U.S. debt, then combine that held in the world. It rose by the biggest amount in 2 years during the first quarter of 2018. It grew by $8 trillion to hit a new all-time high of $247 trillion. That's up from $238 trillion as of December 31, 2017. What are you, nuts? And that's up by $30 trillion from the end of 2016. Bottom line, we never had a recovery in the U.S. It's always been propped up by borrowing and borrowing and borrowing, and same with all the other countries. Now everybody's in debt. Oh, they don't talk about the boom in debt. We'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert. It says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now. Or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here. And it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, people make it too complicated. Wall Street tells you the market cap and the trailing PE and the forward PE and price to sales to confuse you. All you need to know is, does the stock have volume? What's that mean? Energy. What does that mean? If you have people buying a stock, enough of the stock's being bought, it influences the prices to go up. Join my gang, philsgang.com. We're using charting, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. We're talking about credit cards. Okay, so here's how you make money. And remember this, and everybody forgets this. Remember the whole idea, okay, if you go back and take a look at the brokerage business, okay, the brokerage business, you go take a look at it, it's really interesting. It was, let's see, going back to, I'm trying to find out. You go back to what, 1975. That is when they deregulated the stock market. You'd buy, let's say, 500 shares or something, it would cost you about $150. You buy 500 shares today in line, what does it cost you? $5, $6? Before they deregulated, you had a great stock market because what happened is your broker, he'd work with you and you'd have a fiduciary relationship between you. Not in writing, no contract, but he was making big money on you. He wanted to hold on to you. He'd go and find these undervalued companies. And he'd work hard to find a good undervalued company. Then he'd hold that company, he'd watch that company for 5 or 10 years, and you'd make money. But back then, as I said, to buy 500 shares, you're talking $150, $200 in commissions. But he was making a lot of money. But he was also doing a great job for you. That's where we got the buy and hold. That all went away with the discount brokerage in 1975. The worst thing that ever happened to you in 1975, everything went out the window. No more fiduciary. In other words, what happened was when they dropped the commission from $150 down on 500 shares to $5 to $8, there was no fiduciary relationship. In fact, what companies started to do, brokerage homes, they go buy the stock first, and they do that now. They buy the stock before they sell it to you. So it's like going to JCPenney and buying a sport coat for $150, thinking you can go outside in front of the store and resell it again for $300. How are you going to do that? You're buying retail to try to sell it retail? That's exactly what happened to the stock market. When they deregulated the stock market back in 1975, it screwed everybody. Because now you were buying retail. You were buying at retail. You can't make money in the stock market. Very hard. So what they do is they try to create a market. So they pump the market up. So they buy the stock first. They sell it to you. They made a big profit on that buy. And then they keep trying to make the market. In other words, push that market higher. All kinds of stories and now stock buybacks, all this stuff. So you're always buying overvalued stocks. And any time, because it could break, the market could break down and collapse. Because you're always in a market that is overvalued. So you really got to know when to get out of a stock. Now, you know the crashes that you've been through. You've had your 401k. You got wiped out, the dot-com crash, the housing crash, because nobody ever told you when to get out. And every time you try to get out, they would tell you and talk you into staying or adding even more shares. Well, that doesn't happen now. You avoid all that with me. We don't care if the market goes down or the market goes up. You're going to be covered. That's the beautiful thing. And take for example, we're talking about these credit cards. Credit cards right now, that's how people are living. The majority of people they're supplementing their incomes with credit cards, 5, 6, 7 credit cards. And the proof is right here. I'm not making it up.
People are feeling flush in their accounts, spending more than our income coming in.
So if you're spending more than the money you have in your checking account, how do you feel flush? Nobody feels flush when that's going on. When you got brackets. The only way you feel flush, you got 3 or 4 credit cards, and you always got 1 or 2 that are clean, or you get a new one. That's what's going on. So take MasterCard. If you take MasterCard, and let's just go 1 year. I'll put it up for 1 year. Okay, let's go back to, let's see, I'll do 1 year. Let me find August here. So let's do it right here. Okay, so it went from $125 up to $215. $125 up to $215. So it had a 72% run. All you had to do is be with the gang, follow the color-coded chart, and you would have been fine. But here's the key. Any dope can buy that stock and go up 72%. Any dope could do that. But here's the skill. When do I get out? When do I get out? Well, guess what? You should be getting out right now. It turned red. The institutions, the banks, the insurance companies, the pension funds, the hedge funds, the REITs, the investment advisors, the endowments, mutual funds are all pulling their money out right now. Did anybody call you and tell you that? If this is in your mutual fund, in your 401k, part of your mutual fund 401k, did anybody call and tell you to get out of that? You think the broker who's managing your 401k and your mutual fund are taking the money out? Are you kidding? Taking you out of that stock? No. They're going to let you write it all the way back down. But being with me, we see that the institutions on my color-coded chart using color-coded technology, which is not a bunch of baloney. It's true. It works. I always beg you, why don't you join the gang for 30 days? At the end of 30 days, just judge me on my performance and the performance of my chart. 30 days. And what I do is it's so easy. If you're busy and you're working, I just turn around and I just give you the alert what stock to buy. I did that the other day. How many times did I tell you, and I begged you, I said, why don't you start with me? Just go 1 month. Test me over 1 month. Buy Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree started to turn green after it dropped big time. It dropped from $116 all the way down to $80. And then we started to buy it when it turned green around $86. Now it's $95. Now it's $95 Dollar Tree. It turned green. It gave us our buy signal. So that's a beautiful thing. So that's probably up, I don't know, maybe it's up 10%. Now, I'm not saying every gang member caught all 10% when it turned green. Some gang members bought it at $92, and now it's $95, which is probably about 4%. So, but the key is not so much where you get in. That's not the skill. It's where you get out. So we're doing very well with Dollar Tree. Another one that I gave you, and I said, why don't you join, was Starbucks. Same thing. Starbucks dropped from $63 all the way down to $47. It was on sale. And this is what we do. We look for name stocks, brand stocks, name brands, big brands. And it dropped 25%. So then our team, we watch it. We just keep watching. And then when our team spots it going green, meaning simply all the big boys coming back in, the banks and the pensions and hedge funds, they're like cattle. They follow each other. They're like cattle. They don't think independently. So the stock was at $47, started to move up to $48, started to move up to $49, which meant it was still red. Anybody else would be getting in. That's the mistake. That's the beautiful thing about my charting, because why get in when it's red? It's telling us, most people got in at 47 saying, I better get in at 47 before it gets to 48. No. Pros get in later and out earlier. We got in later. So we got in around $50. That's when it turned green, instead of getting in at 47. Because when it turns green, it tells me I got the greatest probability, not the stock pulling, it's not going to pull back. But 47 up to, let's say, 50, you could have got in and it could have pulled right back on you. So now the stock, Starbucks is up probably since it turned green. It's up about 5%. Some gang members are up about 2%, 3%. Doesn't matter. This stock should have a long way to go. And we'll know exactly when to get you out. So join my gang, philsgang.com. Call 877-600-GANG. Call right now, 877-600-GANG. Invest $39.95 in yourself and judge me on my performance after 30 days. We'll be right back with a lot more stocks, a lot more information.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
If you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if your person says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate, learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com and give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. I have a great stock for you, okay? Just like our Starbucks, our Dollar Tree, all they went up beautifully. Now, again, I can't guarantee you we're going to get the same profits that we got out of Dollar Tree and Starbucks. And by the way, it's not too late to join my gang and follow me for the rest of the month on Starbucks, okay? But I'm looking at AT&T has a nice dividend. It's a nice stock. It's on sale. It dropped from $45 all the way down to $30. See, that's what we look for. We look for stocks that have big discounts, big brand names. We call it, that's a 30% drop. We look for, remember, in the old days, we used to look for undervalued companies, big names, undervalued, okay? And then we hold on 5, 10 years, whatever. Those days are all gone. You can't do it anymore because now we've gone to discount brokerage, which means people, then the companies, the brokerage companies, they're all in cahoots, and what they do is buy the stock first, mark it up to you and me, and then sell it to us. So we're buying retail to sell retail. That's ridiculous. You can't make any money. The only people making money are the people making all the commissions. The investment industry went belly up the day they started with discount brokers. The worst thing they could do, the only people making money are the gangsters, the banksters. Now, let's get back to AT&T. Now, AT&T is looking beautiful. We just bought AT&T yesterday. Now, I know some of you, I heard somebody say, and it was somewhere that I go through, they have comments and everything about what I'm doing and all that. And so I say, well, I don't ever have to join Phil's gang. I hear what he says on the radio, and I follow those stocks. And one gets, well, I lose money when I hear Phil on the radio and take the stocks and go, I lose money. Of course you lose money, you dope. You got to join the gang. If you don't join the gang, I can't tell you when to get out of the stock. So I read a guy who says, well, I listened to Phil Grandy. I lost money on 2 stocks. What he didn't say is I never joined the gang. When he said it on the radio, I bought it. And therefore, I didn't get any alerts, didn't get anything. I wasn't a gang member. Of course you're going to lose, you dope. So anyways, AT&T's a great opportunity. We just bought it, just turned green, so I think that'd be great for you. It's a brand new stock, so why don't you join tonight, 877-600-GANG, join the gang tonight, and we'll put it on our MV2 color-coded chart. Why don't you follow it for the rest of the month, and then judge me by how well I do and how well the chart does. So invest in yourself. All I ask you, please remember St. Jude. You start making money, please remember St. Jude, okay? All right. So AT&T, I think that's going to be a good one. All right. And they're waiting for your call right now. All right. Next, we're talking about what was I going to talk about next? Oh, they keep telling us about how, here, listen how they contradict each other. Listen to these cuts right here, how they contradict each other. I think it's gone. Let's see. Okay, right here. Listen to this. Listen to what he says.
One story is of strong underlying growth. The housing data looks like it's been rebounding and stocks, the stock market.
Okay, he says, housing market's rebounding. Really? New home sales dropped to an 8-month low. Existing home sales dropped for the 3rd straight month. And pending home sales fell for 6 months in a row. But then he confuses people. Then he comes on next and says this about the economy. First, the economy's terrific. Everything's wonderful. Housing going up. Then he comes on and says,
housing is the one of a couple sectors in the economy. I think the economy's doing reasonably well. Housing's one that has me worried.
First he's going,
one story is of strong underlying growth. The housing data.
You can't listen to these people. They read cue cards. They do. They read cue cards. They don't know what they're doing. They're one purpose to get you to go out and spend. They're the ultimate chamber of Congress, CNBC, Bloomberg's, all these. They're the ultimate chamber of commerce. They're trying to get you out to spend. And the more you spend, the more advertising dollars they get. Ford will say, hey, I want more time on your show. I want more time on your show. So they'll say anything except the truth. Their job is to pump you up. That's it, right there. End of story. Here, then you got Mnuchin. He doesn't know if he wants a strong dollar or a weak dollar. He's so stupid.
Would you prefer a weaker dollar at this point? In the long term, a strong dollar is good for the United States.
Now listen to this.
Having a weaker dollar is somewhat better for us.
So which one is it? There's so much confusion because, like I said, ever since they took and put in discount brokerage, the whole thing got screwed up. There's no consistency. Everybody's creating stories to push their stocks up. But that's not what you get when you're looking at a chart. That's what you get when you're listening to fundamentals like this.
I go to Lee in Virginia. Lee.
I bought some shares of Canada Goose in June, but it has dropped a lot since then.
Well, I got to tell you, Lee, I did a lot of work on Goose when they were reporting, and my thinking is that this is actually a decent level to buy.
Oh, this might be a level to buy. Okay, he's right. It is. Okay? He didn't even have it. Great. Hey, I'm glad for once I found something that he's right on. But here's the problem. He's not going to tell you when to get out. This poor guy will not know when to get out. So this stock has dropped from $42 all the way down to $30, and now it's finally turned green at $32. So it dropped 28%. These are the stocks that we look at. Look, remember, we call these dog stocks, great name stocks that drop 20, 30%. And then we go buy them. We're not looking to go in and buy them because they have great value. Those are the old days. We're going to go in and buy them and wait until the institutions come in and buy. See, a dog stock that drops 20%, 30%, brand name stocks, those are stocks with great negativity. They're pushed down 30, 40%, so negative. But the more negative a stock gets, a name brand stock gets, like Starbucks or any, when they get pushed down like that, the more negative the stock gets, the bigger the rise you get. So when a brand stock drops 30%, that's the stock you want to be in on the way up, because that's a brand name like Starbucks. Or here, AT&T. What's a better deal than AT&T? AT&T, for God's sakes, dropped, what was it, about 28%. I think I gave you, let me see. Hold on one second, gang. No, I gave you the wrong stock. No, I gave you Goose, GOOS. No. GOOS went up about 40%, and now it turned red. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong start on my chart. The chart didn't switch over from Starbucks to GOOS. So let's do this again. So he says,
Can I go to Lee in Virginia? Lee.
Let's go to Lee in Virginia. Lee.
Can I go to Lee in Virginia? Lee.
I bought some shares of Canada Goose in June, but it has dropped a lot since then.
Well, I got to tell you, Lee, I did a lot of work on Goose when they were reporting, and my thinking is that this is actually a decent level to buy.
Decent level to buy? No, it's not. I was looking at the wrong chart. I left the old one up. Look, no, it turned red. It turned red. Oh, this is a decent place to buy? Are you kidding? The institutions, they started to pull their money out at $58.76 a few days ago. Now it's $50.08. He's got this guy, he's cooking his goose. He's cooking his goose is what he's doing. He's cooking this guy's goose. Unbelievable. This thing is dropping like a flying monkey. And he's telling to get in. That won't happen with me, because you're going to be watching the chart with me. So simple. When we tell you to get into a stock, I will make sure get you to the alert. Pops up on your screen. It says to buy a stock or sell short a stock. Okay, gives you the name of the stock and at what price to do that. And then what you do, you go to an online broker, you buy it or sell short, and then you come back to me. You pay $39.95 to join the gang, and then you follow me. Now, if you're very busy, you don't. I do like. All these stocks, when I take them and I start buying them, during the day, I revise a video 3 times during the day for these stocks for you to follow. But if you don't have time to do that, or you don't even want to look at the video, that's fine. They're only about a minute long. Just wait for my buy signal and then wait for my sell signal to get you out. This is amazing, this GOOS. He gets you in exactly when it's falling. What are you, nuts? Join my gang, 877-600 gang. They're waiting for your call. Why don't you start with AT&T with me? See you on the charts.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom.